Suji leaf benefit for natural food coloring and body healthy. For those of you who love baking but still use artificial food coloring, do you know the benefits of Suji leaves that can provide a green color on the cake mixture naturally? Pleomele angustifolia is Latin name for Suji leaf plants. Chlorophyll pigment content in Suji leaves which gives rise to green when used as coloring material by blending Suji leaves mixed with water. So how to make it? Prepare 10 grams of fresh Suji leaves or as much as 6 to 8 pieces. Choose old Suji leaves as a feature of high chlorophyll pigments so that when blended with water it will produce the best level of green color. The more water used, the green color obtained from the filtering of Suji leaves will be younger. Suji leaf is different with pandan leaf. Suji leaves give a green color that is more concentrated than pandan leaves, which is also a source of green. The other difference is that Suji leaves do not have the aroma like pandan leaves. Suji leaves are also believed to have various benefits for health. Reported from the page of the Global Biodiversity Information Facility, Suji leaves are used to overcome dysentery, vaginal discharge, gonorrhea, and are considered a galactagogue. Reported from the Useful Tropical Plants database, Suji leaves are said to have uses in the health world such as to overcome asthma and shortness of breath and to increase appetite. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe.